Good morning, Teacher Nat. Good morning, Teacher Shell. Say good morning. Good morning, Teacher Juan. Good morning, Teacher Thor. Good morning, Teacher Ika. Good morning! Yay!
Can you in hand bang in there?
Bye-bye! 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 Okay, thank you! Bye-bye, baby! Why? Oi? Oi? What's that? What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Wow! Thank you! It's a bag! Wow!
Thank you so much.
Ika!
Yeah.
Chill!
Ika!
Oh yeah, Teacher Nika. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no kayeng! No kayeng! Hug, hug, hug. Thank you. Thank you. No crying! No crying. We see each other soon, okay? No crying, okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's okay. Oh. Nice meeting you, Teacher Nat. No crying. No crying. No crying. Kainit. Uy, ang ganda. Thank you so much. Uy! No crying. No crying. No, no, no crying. No.
Sama na akong lipstick.
Say thank you.
Thank you! Thank you, Teacher Nat!
Ang sa pikas. Ang sa pikas. Angan.
Embroidered name.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Push and twirl 3 times.
Kabana! Tama ba? Kabana! Babu!
First food na.
Ha?
2.5.
Bye!
Guys, I'm driving the motorcycle of Teacher Nat, and we go to the apartment because we are going to change our clothes. We are the champion! What champion? We are the champion. What? What? Naka 0.5 yan, wow. Hello, good afternoon.
Rachel, that is hi. We want to display
Hello, yay.
and also concerts for the Marriageable, the host school. We have the school director. We have Mr. Shirawan Fu, Attorney Rana Deang de la Piña, the school president, and of course we have Dr. Phil Galanita, the vice president of academic affairs, and also with her is her husband, Mr. Lortinito Canta, from the registrar office. And another, the last one, we have Mr. Joey Cal de la Pina, the husband also of Attorney de la Pina. Okay, once again. And for completing your practical journey, your service and passion. Congratulations. Right, and next we have Miss and passion in teaching the primary students and helping them to be confident. Brownlee Foundation College, in grateful recognition of your steadfast commitment and valued partnership as the sending institution of the International Teaching Internship Program. Your trust, collaboration, and dedication in preparing and guiding your student interns have greatly contributed to the success of this international academic exchange and the professional growth of future educators. Given this 15th of May 2026 and signed by
Apple me? Apple me, apple. Saba. Ngayon ka apple. Sila ba si sir? Uy, apple sa
your study, care, patience, and dedication in fostering a safe, nurturing, and supportive environment for young learners throughout the International Internship Program. Awarded on 15th of May 2026 at Saraswati Private School. Okay, you can get your certificate now. And stand in front and wait for the office.
Yay!
You were given Outstanding Teaching Resource Award in recognition of your creativity, effort, and excellence in developing effective and engaging instructional materials that enrich the teaching and learning experience throughout the International Teaching Internship Program, awarded on the 15th of May 2026 at Saraswati Private School. Okay, congratulations. We have Miss Nika Flor Espanal. Miss Nika Flor were given Inspirational Educator Award and Most Innovative Teaching Award.
I'll see you in the Philippines. What is it called? Kanompia. Oh. Oy, last ride with Natoy. Last ride with Natoy. No crying. Go drive. Go drive. No crying, okay? Okay. Smile! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye! That is likod na car. Last. Alive! What? Amira's house. Uy! Uy! We go to Amira's house. Alive! Oh my! จอดตรงนี้ Okay. เอาไปจอดก่อน We follow. Wow. อะไร teacher? We go to teacher Amira's house. Huh? Oh. อะไรจ๊ะเอา
ไปไหม
อะไร
ไปจะไปขี่รถผ่านบ้านหนูเฉยๆไม่งั้นก็แวะไปหาแม่หนูจะพาเขาไปบ้าน เจ้าไปด้วยไหม
จะให้ไปเหรอ
ใช่
ไปก็ไปสิ เอารถไปไหน
เอารถไปจอดไปที่ปั๊มเซลล์
โอ้โห
ออกไปทางบ้านบ้านของใกล้ๆที่น่ะขี่รถตามผมก็ได้
เลย เอารถไปจอดไป No? Signature. Yeah. Yeah. Wow! Yeah. Name? Ha? Wait lang. Videohan ka sa name. Mia? Wow, thank you. That's your name na? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. We go home now. I go to teacher Boom.
Mia?
No. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye, Teacher Ika. Say bye-bye, Teacher Ika. Teacher Ika go home na in the Philippines. Tada! Thank you. Hello, Eva.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Papa.
Papa, hello.
Hello, คุณยาย Hello. Hello, คุณยาย Hello, คุณยาย
Say hello. Hello, Teacher Ika.
Hello, teacher. Hello, Papa.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, P.
Hello, P.
Hello, P. Hello, P. ไม่น่าทักนะหนูดีกว่าทำไมมันอยู่ไกลจังเลยเอ้ามันอยู่ไกลจังเลยมีแค่ก็เอามือได้นี่หน่อยเบียร์ก็หนู
Yeah.
เก็บเก็บว่าเก็บ
Diba? Oh.
Ang galing na style ko, ano ni, bando ilang days na lang, uwi na kami. Gonna miss this place.
Mag-drop everything now.
Drop everything.
Mag-intern yan ni Form Batalo.
Yaman ka nag-intern. Tunog si Mana.
Bonus!
Simple thing. I know.
Final na.
The bird is having a shower na. Murag alimokon, guys. Good morning, Kanan. Good morning, Celine. Good morning. Say good morning. Ah, very good na. Say good morning. Say good morning. Ay, ay. Good morning. Good morning. This was a bad hairstyle. I removed it na because it's so bad. We are at the Shabu Shabu. Don't know the name, bro. To have a sauce, so it could be some spicy. This one is the papong. What? See? So hot. Tahong? Apa mo nga? We have fish. Ah, seafoods. The fish is so soft. I miss eating fish now. We always eat meat. Yeah. We don't like it. Because it's not fish in the sea. It's fish in the river. A lake.
Got you.
Nanay mo rice dahil. Wow, rice! So happy! Wow!
How much?
495 baht.
Akala ko ba, tunay na yung lang.
Thank you! Thank you! Kainis!
เรียนรู้วัฒนธรรมไทย
สวัสดีค่ะ
I will exercise aerobic dance
อืม
on road voice เนี่ยเอาใหม่ที่เชื่อว่าก็
โอ้ย
แม่มินนี่ไปไหน
เข้าไปยิงค่ะอืมบ้างอร่อยครับสเต็ก
ก็จะมาลงทุน
fish ตะหง
this one delicious
yeah
amazing ต้องหู
ตะหง
ต้องหู
ตะหง carrot oh so hard ay there's an easy way my god
yes
why I'm training myself in a hard way wait
it's easy
yeah so easy
you like food
Yeah, we like seafood, teacher. It's been a long day without eating seafood. Whoopsie.
hours to order ทำไมข้าวมันอยู่ว่า2เราได้กดไปจะกินไหม
We are at the Shabu Shabu. Don't know the name, bro. To have a sauce, so it can be spicy. This one is the papong. What? See?
ทำไมพี่ผมนะอร่อยมาก
So hot.
This is from New Zealand Lahore
Tahong.
Tahong
Try mo nga. We have fish. Ah, seafoods. The fish is so soft. I miss eating fish now. We always eat meat. Yeah. I don't like fish. Because it's not fish in the sea. It's fish in the river. A lake.
Got you
Nanay mo rice guys. Wow, rice! So happy! Now, you guys, we're getting ice cream, bro. Scooping ice cream. Okay. Enjoy. Hello. Kaya mo yan, B. Kaya mo, Kat. Sige, sabihin si Kat para makakain ng ice cream. I feel so power. Over naman. Grabe naman talaga. Ano man ang may dugang ice cream, uy. Ano ko yung ubi, uy. Ano, ay, uy. Pwede ba siguro neighboring house? Wow!
Put it up in my vlog. How much?
1,495 baht.
Akala ko ba, tunay na yung lang.
Thank you. Thank you. Kainis. Daddy, it's an electric car, a Jimny style electric car.
Which one?
Kamay po yan na. Nagamig hawak ko. Ang bae. Sana all. A big sana all. Gamayag hawak ko. Place, bra. The silent place that I visit. Yeah.
The land of smile.
The land of silence.
Yes.
So silent.
The land of Canton.
เดี๋ยวนะ มีงานอะไร
เรียนรู้วัฒนธรรมไทย
สวัสดีค่ะ
I will exercise aerobic dance.
อืม
My whole voice.
เนี่ย
เอาใหม่ที่เชื่อกันเนาะ
โอ้ย
ไอ้มินนี่ไปไหน
อืม
Of old story.
ไม่รับทำใช่ไหมช่วงนี้
In my country.
But not a dog.
Yeah, some people worship them.
Oh, so
But
it's
it's
kind
not
of
like, kind of like a dragon.
yeah, it's kind of like same in the Egypt, like
ก็คือมันเลี้ยงรวมเลย Yeah.
อืม
เลิศประหลาด
the guard of the
Yes.
pyramid.
Yes, it's same. It looks more like, but we call in Thailand, the face is look like a, we call payana, but in English maybe dragon.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's a Thai culture. It's not like 100 of Thai culture. We are mixed with the Cambodia cultures.
Okay.
Sometimes it's Cambodia, sometimes it's Myanmar.
Myanmar. Okay. Choo-choo. No car. Car America.
ก็อิ่มกระดาษจะไปส้มกันที่เที่ยงหรือไม่ว่าไม่อะไรสีส้มเนาะอ๋อเขาอยู่ที่นี่อ๋อบาสเกตบอลไหม No you have seen it little bit ว้าวเดี๋ยวคุณชายพอเกมคุณเจดาเบนที่ปอไอเอ๊ะเนี่ยYes, I massage shop in Phuket. I consumer Germany.
You too. Hi, my name is Amira.
No, I'm Muslim.
Wow.
Young, 22, young. Sorry.
22? Same.
family.
มาเตอร์เหรอ มาเตอร์
Sorry,
you based here?
family in Royal. I waiting for Korea. Next week I go Bangkok. Yes. Oh, you go Bangkok.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You have girlfriend, my wife?
It's
Single. Single.
Yeah.
Hey, ฝรั่งอย่าฉันไม่น้องไม่วัดนมเลยนะอย่าไอจีจะไม่ได้ไม่
Pag yung ko na sa ijaga.